everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kanye and today we aren't making anything, but I am going to share with you the essential items that you need to start your baking business. Alright, so when I started, I didn't know what the essentials were, so I really believe that these items that are in front of me are the essential items that if you have these items, you will be able to fulfill your orders. All right, let's get started. All right, so I added a very important one that I had forgotten, our turntable. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so first things first, definitely you'll need a handheld mixer. As time goes by, you can buy the big KitchenAid mixer that everybody loves on the internet that does all the mixing for you. But if you've got a handheld mixer, this is mainly to beat your buttercream, to beat your chocolate ganache that you're going to cover your cakes with, or just your buttercream if you're going to use it for both your fillings and covering your cakes. So this is what this baby is for. Very important. You can do buttercream without a handheld mixer, but it's too much labor and we're just girls. All right, next you'll need a turntable. So I have seen people use no turntables. I have seen people decorate their cakes using just the flat surface of a countertop. I really would not recommend that, simply because this is very nice because it just turns itself. All right, it turns by itself. You place your cake here, you know that when you are scraping off your buttercream or smoothing it out, the table just moves the cake for you. All right, you can get this at your local baking shop, or you can get it online as well. I did get this one at Shein. All right, and the panel mixer, you can get it at Macro, Game, Clicks, any store. All right, then our third item, this is a spatula. So you do want to get one that's a little slouched like that. All right, so this is for your buttercream application. You take your buttercream and you're going to apply it on your cake. So I use the back of it. I've seen bakers that use the front, but honestly it all depends on what you prefer, as long as the cakes are pretty at the end of the day, right? So I did buy this at our local baking shop as well, but you do find it on Shein, you do find it at Westpac, plastic shops, you do find these, and it goes for about 80 Rand. Alright, so our next one, your whisk. Obviously going to mix your batter with your whisk. This is what this is for. I got this at Westpac and it was 120, I think. It's a silicone one. I love it because it's easy to clean instead of the metal one. I just prefer this one. You can buy the metal one. It does do the same thing. I just prefer this one because you see the metal one is closed over here, so it breaks easily because we whisk vigorously. So I like this one because it's silicone. You see it bends, so already you know that it's not going to break easily. All right. And then our last two essential items, this is the same thing. This is our cake scrapers. I use this for the short cakes and I use this one for my tall cakes. All right. So this one I did buy from Shein. It is 35 Rand. And this one I did buy from our local baking shop and it was about 120. All right. But to save, you can just buy one long one and you know you're sorted for all your short and tall cakes. All right. So you can see the difference. It's quite tall. All right, so I believe that these are the essential items that you will need if you want to start a baking business. I've always wondered what are the essential items that you need, and I believe these are it. So as long as you have this, you will definitely be able to fulfill your cake orders. All right, thank you so much for tuning in today. Do like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much, everyone. Goodbye.